Hello all of my lovelies, it's Melissa. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I am creating a set of nails by layering some foils with stamping. And this is a technique that I learned when I took the Valentine's Day workshop from Talia's Nail Studio. So let's get started. To create this design, I used the English Garden Swirls CJS 173. For my base color, C&D Shellac Lost Labyrinth. I also used Glitter Mix Canada Foil Transfer Gel, and this foil transfer gel is amazing. And then I used these iridescent foils, and these I do believe are from Daily Charm. I got them years and years ago, so I can't quite remember. And then I also used C&D Shellac Duraforce Top Coat. For stamping polish, I used the Sticky White from Clear Jelly Stamper. And then I sealed the design with the Ugly Duckling No Wipe Top Coat. Alright, I'm going to start off by applying my first layer of color to the nails, and then I will cure this. And then I'll do a second layer. And then after curing that, I chose to do a third layer just because for me, it wasn't quite opaque enough. Now I am going in with a layer of the Glitter Mix Canada Transfer Foil Gel. I'm going to cure that in my lamp, and then after curing, I'm going to press some foil down and just rub it in place. You can use either a rubber-ended set of tweezers, you can use your fingers, you can really use what works best for you. All right, now I'm going to remove it, and you can see that it transferred very beautifully. And then I'm just tapping it randomly in a few spots where I noticed some is missing. Now that I test drove that, I'm going to apply the foil gel to the other 4 nails and cure that. And then I'm going to apply foil to all of those nails. I did switch up the foil pattern between the first nail and the rest of the nails, and in all honesty, I can't even really tell the difference. So I'm just going to keep applying foil to the nails until they are all covered. So now that I have all of the nails covered with foil, I am going to top coat them just to keep the foil on in case I make a mistake with stamping. Then I can still remove the stamping, but keep the foil. So once that's cured, we will get to our stamping. And the image I used is right here. It is the swirly purple coloring. I did not put on the leaves. So I'm going to apply the stamping image to the first nail, and of course the same one to the other 4 nails. All right, so I'm just going to top coat these nails now with the Ugly Duckling No Wipe top coat. I had other plans for these nails to do more on them, but I ended up changing my mind because I really liked how they look. All right, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. Bye!